Hey fam, it's IC of IC Studio, and I know we're well into August already, but better late than never, I guess. Here is my August Plan With Me video. So before we get into things, I'll just show you a little flip through of my current journal. Okay, so my theme for August is Ancient Greek Aesthetic, and I will be using these vintage stationery sheets I bought from Stationery Pal. These beautiful gold gilded Light Academia washi tapes from Moon & Paper Co. If you haven't noticed yet, gold is the color of the month, I guess, so I will be using the gold Chrome Effect pen from Life of Color. Last but not least, my favorite sketching pen, which is the Sakura Pigma Micron. I have been wanting to do a minimalist theme, so I will try to manifest that into my August bullet journal. I have been feeling very inspired by Greek mythology and the ancient Greek aesthetic, which is why this is the chosen theme of the month. I wish I could draw realistic Greek sculptures, but I'll settle for my simple line drawings. Just a little disclaimer, I can't really draw anything without a reference, so I relied heavily on Pinterest for the bust that I drew. And because I want to incorporate more calligraphy for this month's theme, I am going to do a little bit of faux calligraphy with the gold chrome pen on my cover page. So like last month's theme, I am going to do waterfall tabs again because I am obsessed. And I cannot not use the beautiful washi tapes that I bought from Moon & Paper Co. So this page will be my August calendar. My go-to calendar layout is a vertical one because it's very easy to set up, and for some reason my brain works from top to bottom. And I usually divide my calendar into two sections, so one for events and one for a to-do list. Another spread that I am carrying over from last month is an Ideas and Action Plans page. I used to only have an Ideas page and miss the execution bit, so that is something that I want to carry over for August. Good luck to me! And the last of my monthly pages is a brain dump page, which is basically a non-negotiable for me every month. So I use these pages mainly for evaluation and self-reflection. Basically a page for personal growth things. And because this is the last of the monthly pages in the Dutch Door Waterfall tabs section, I will be using the stationery sheets and washi tapes to decorate. the monthly pages, let's move on to my August weekly pages. And because I am obsessed with Dutch doors, I will be incorporating them into my weeklies. I usually do something extra like draw and stuff on the outer pages of the Dutch door, but your girl is feeling very low energy lately, so I will be using these beautiful washi tapes from Moon & Paper Co. to decorate the outsides of the Dutch door pages. Now I've gotten the pages of my weekly spreads ready, I will be using 2 pages per week, which I will fill with memories as the month goes. Alright, so here is my August bullet journal flip through. Category is Ancient Greek Aesthetic, minimal but with a splash of gold. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you guys in the next video.